So we're going to show here classic stack implementation using arrays, and it's based on code from the Lewis and Chase textbook. I'm going to go ahead and submit this code to WebCat. WebCat has already been configured in this environment, and you see that my password is already there, and you see the homework that's currently open. It shows only the open homeworks at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and submit, and it goes to WebCat, and tells me that it's grading and there are only 2 Qs on the job. And here's the result. And I clipped a second of the video there to make it faster. Lost 5 points on style and it lost more on testing. At the bottom here it says the error that I have, the sequence of a push peak did not return the same value. So if you push an element and you peak, it should be the same thing. But I'm going to get back and fix the coding issues, the style issues that are easier. So, and if you see here in the code, you see that the first error is that I am missing an author tag in the comments for the file. So I'm going to go back to NetBeans and just add the author tag. Pretty simple. Go back to WebCat and let's see what the next one is. And that is a camel case issue. This can be configured through check style settings, but right now we have it so that internal variables need to be in camel case. So I'm going to go ahead and refactor this and rename it to default capacity using camel case. And that fixes that problem. And let's go check what the third problem was. And here it is. It's an indentation issue. I have an if statement that should be indented underneath the method name. So I'm going to look for that here. Oops, I passed it. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and indent this. And I'm going to indent this other one. And that completes all the errors for style. So I'm going to go back to the beginning, and I could submit now and you would get 20 out of 20 in the style coding, but for the interest of time here, I'm just going to go ahead and see that we fix all 3. Now we're going to look at the problem coverage, and I happen to know exactly where this is. It's just a line of code that I typed as a mistake so that the test cases would fail. I'm going to delete this plus plus, add it at the end. That fixes the problem. I'm going to save, I'm going to resubmit so that you see the score. And same process again. I'm number 2 in the queue. And after a few seconds, you see that I got 100 points on the score. And we're done.